Hello everyone, my name is Huilin Zhao. Today we study the functions 11, chapter 2, equivalent algebraic expression. The topic is multiplying and dividing the rational expression. First one we talking about the concepts. Rational function. Any function is the ratio of two polynomials. A rational function can be expressed as f as equal Rx over Sx, where R and S are polynomials and S not equal 0. For example, a rational expression is a quotient of the polynomials. For example, 2x minus 1 over 3x. Here x not equal 0. Number 2, restrictions. The values of the variables in a rational functions or rational expression that cause the function to be undefined. Multiplying and dividing rational expression. The procedures you use to multiply or divide rational numbers can be used to multiply and divide the rational expression. For example, a, b, c, d are polynomial, then the a over b times c over d is equal to a times c and then the over b times d, provided that b and d not equal 0. And another expression, a over b divided by c over d is equal to a times d and then over b times c. Here b, d, c are not equal 0. For example 1, simplify and state any restrictions on the variables. There are 4 questions. We calculate one by one. And number A is 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 8. So this is just a fraction. So you can get an answer is 5 over 12 because A is 2 times 4, so they cancel 2. So the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 4 times 3 is 12. Number B, 2x squared times y over 5 y cubic, and then the times x y over 8. We will find the common factor, like the 6 equals 3 times 2, and a is times 4 times 2, so this is cancel 2 here. And for the number, and for variable or the sample x and y, and the numerator is y times y, so the denominator is y cubic, so the cancel y square, right? So the final answer is for the numerator is 3 times s cubic, and the denominator is 4 times 5 is 20 y. Here y not equal 0. Number C, x plus 1 times x minus 5 over x plus 4 times x plus 4 over 2 times x minus 5. So we find the same terms. So here the numerator is there x minus 5 and denominator same terms x minus 5. So that term get cancelled. And the x plus 4 in the denominator and then the numerator is same. They are same terms, so they cancel the x plus 4. So the final answer is x plus 1 is the numerator and denominator is 2. And where x not equal 4 and x not equal 5. And number D, and x squared over 2x plus 1, and then times 6x plus 3 over 5x. So we can take out the 3 in the second part in the numerator. So it becomes 2 times 2x, 3 times 2x plus 1. So the same thing with the denominator. So that terms can cancel. Another one, x in the denominator and s squared in the numerator. So they cancel x. So the final answer is 3x over 5, where x not equal 0, x not equal 0.5. To check the denominator. Example 2. Simplify and state illustrations on the variables. And there are 2 questions. Calculate one by one. Number 8, 2x over 3 divided by x squared over 5. So the change is divided by into multiplied by. So the first part is upside down, it's a reversal. And then change into 2x over 3 multiplied by 5 over x squared. So for the here we have the same term, x and x squared, so they cancel x. So the final answer is for the numerator is 2 times 5 is 10. Denominator is 3x. And rejection is x equals 0. That means x not equal 0. And then number B. X minus 7 over 10 and divided by 2x minus 14 and over 25. So the first term is x minus 7 over 10, and the second part is upside down, become 2 multiplied by. So the numerator is 25, the denominator is 2x minus 14. So we find the common term. Like here the denominator can change it to 2 times x minus 7, and the numerator is the same term, so that term can be cancelled. And the 10 and 25, they are same factor is 5. So the final answer is 5 over 4. Becomes for the numerator remains 5, and the denominator is 2 times 2 is 4. The rejection is x equals 7. Example 3. Simplify and state the rejection of the variable. There are 2 questions. Into the number 1 is the perfect square of x plus 1 over x squared plus 2x minus 3 and times perfect square of x minus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. So we find the common factor. And we factor in here the denominator 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. We can change it into x plus 3 times x minus 1, because the last one is negative 3, and then the middle one is positive 2x. So you can get this x plus 3x minus 1. And the second term, the denominator s squared plus 4x plus 3. So it's the last term is 3 and the middle term is positive 4x. So it can make it the x plus 3 times x plus 1. So we can see the common factor x minus 1 is square, and then the denominator is x minus 1. So cancel 1x minus 1. And then the x plus 1 is, the numerator is square and the denominator is x minus 1 is the power is 1. So cancel 1x plus 1. So the final answer is x plus 1, x minus 1, and the numerator is x plus 3. The power is 2, and 1 and 1. The restrictions x restriction that we can use the 0 or not equal is same. Right? You can use this you can use this equal here because the restriction show here is the expand with the word, so it's okay. So the restriction is x equal -1, x equal 1, x equal -3. Number B, 2x plus 10 over x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 25 over x minus 2. So we can change the divided by into multiplied by. So the second part, the upside down, that means the reversal. The numerator is x minus 2, denominator is changed into x minus 5 times x plus 5. Because the 25 equals 5 square. And then we find the common term. Like here the numerator is x plus 5 and the denominator here is same terms, x plus 5, so that term can be cancelled. And x minus 2 in the numerator and denominator is power and the perfect square of x minus 2, so to cancel 1 x minus 2. So the final answer is 2 over x minus 2 times x minus 5. The restriction is x not equal to, not equal 5, not equal -5. Example 4. Simplify and state any restriction of variable. There are 3 questions. And number A, x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 1 times x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 5 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. We check the 3 parts and the factor first, and x squared minus 5x plus 6. We check the last number 6 is positive 6, and the middle one is -5x, so that we can use the 2 numbers or above negative, the -2 and -3. Because -2 times -3 is positive 6, but the -2x, -3x is -5x. And x squared minus 1 is changed into x minus 1 times x plus add 1. And x squared minus 4x minus 5. So in the last number is -5, in the middle number is -4x. So we can change it, you can factor is f minus 5 times s plus 1. And the last part is changed into multiplied by, so it is the reversal, it's upside down. And the numerator you can change it into x plus 1, x plus 2, and the denominator x minus 5. So we'll find a common term, like the first one, x minus 2 in the numerator, and the denominator have the same, x minus 2. And then x minus 3 here, and no same. So there's a remainder. And next, x minus 5 here, the denominator and numerator. So we cancel this term. And the x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator is 1x plus 1. So leave another x plus 1. And x minus 2 here, and then x plus 2, and then x plus 2 in the denominator, so that term can be cancelled. So the final answer is x minus 3 times x plus 1 and over x minus 1. The restriction is x not s equal 1, s equal negative 1, s is 2, s equal negative 2. Number B is s minus x 1 minus x squared over 1 plus y times 1 minus y squared over x plus x squared divided by y cubic minus y over x squared. So factor at first. Let the first term 1 minus x squared change into 1 minus x times 1 plus x. And this one, the 1 minus y squared is a similar change into 1 minus y times 1 plus y. And divided by change into multiplied by the, so this part reversal. So become the here numerator is x squared, the denominator is y times y squared minus 1 is equal y cubic minus y. So we check the common term. Here 1 plus x, the denominator and numerator, so that term has been cancelled. And 1 plus y here, and then the numerator have the same term, so cancel 1 plus y. And x here in the denominator and the numerator, there are x squared, so to cancel x. And for the last, for the y squared minus 1 change into y minus 1 times y plus 1. So, and y minus 1 in the denominator and numerator have the same term, so that term can be cancelled. So this final answer is x times s minus 1 and over the y times y plus 1. Restriction is x not equal 0, s not equal negative 1, and then y, the restriction y equal 0, y equal negative 1, y equal 1. Number C, x squared minus y squared over 4x squared minus y squared times the middle term is 4x squared minus 8xy plus 3y squared over x plus y divided by 2x plus 3y over 2x minus y. So at first we factor, and then x squared minus y squared equal x minus y times x plus y. And the numerator here, 4x squared minus y squared becomes 2x plus y times 2x minus y. And the middle one, the numerator, 4x squared plus 8xy plus 3y squared and become 2x plus y 3y times 2x plus y, and we cancel same term like the x plus y, the numerator and denominator. Another one is 2x minus y. In the numerator and denominator they are same term. So, and another one, this one, 2x plus y, and the numerator and denominator. So cancel that one. So the final answer is x minus y. The restriction is x equal negative y, x equal 0.5 y, x equal negative 0.5 y. All above we're talking about how to calculate the multiply and divided rational expression. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your watching. Please share the video to people that want to study this course. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.